Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Q. In this video, we'll discuss the definition for managerial economics. Before pursuing details about managerial economics, have you thought about what managerial economics is and why do you need to learn managerial economics? How does learning it benefit you? Let's first explore the answers to those questions. Learning economics or taking managerial economics will not directly tell where to invest your money and how to become rich. But the principles and training will help you to have better understanding about the economics world out there and make sound, if not optimal decisions facing varieties of options. In fact, if you browse the Wall Street Journal, the business section, most of the news here involve managerial economics. For example, this one, Kaiser Permanente is one of the largest healthcare providers in the US. It acquires the North Carolina hospital system Cone. This acquisition is a part of the effort to build a national network that combines insurance and care and influences so many managers in so many levels. For example, why do the Kaiser Permanente and Cone managers agree on that acquisition? How do managers of other healthcare providers respond? How do the managers of the pharmaceutical industry respond? And why do the people in the antitrust section, the Department of Justice, approve that? How does this influence consumers? And after learning managerial economics, you understand the rationale better and find those stories interesting, and be able to think economically and critically. You'll know whether the manager for those businesses in the news make optimal decisions or not, and more, such as why does business initiate that pricing strategy and this output level, and why the merger and acquisition take place, and why does a firm partner with this distribution channel as opposed to the other one? And how does the new refund policy by the Department of Transportation influence airlines, consumers, and price of flight tickets? How does the new carbon dioxide removal industry influence our everyday life? You may be able to put the information provided by the news together and see how you should adjust your investment decision accordingly then. Now, what is managerial economics? There are two components. The first one is the manager. A manager is a person who directs resources to achieve a stated goal. The leadership team for the Fortune 500 companies are managers. The ones who work for a food bank and must decide the best means for distributing food to the needy are managers. The coordinator of a shelter for the homeless and need to figure out the strategy to help as many homeless people as possible is manager. Housewife who delegate all resources to make sure the household functions well in its everyday life is a manager. The definition for manager is a person who directs resources to achieve a stated goal. Manager needs to direct the efforts of others, purchase inputs used in the production of the firm's output, directs other decisions such as the product price and quality. The second component is economics. It is a social science to help social identities to make optimal decisions in the presence of scarce resources. Available means the economic resources can be employed to help one achieve a goal that is limited in quantity and quality, while our wants are unlimited. Therefore, facing options, decisions need to be made. When you choose one, a problem means you must simultaneously give up the others. If a company decides to use more resources for advertisement to promote awareness of the brand, it probably has a fewer resources to do research and development. A food bank spends more on soup, probably purchases fewer fruits. The head of the home household decided to get a new HVAC for this household this summer and may need to postpone their plan to travel to Europe. So a manager must make those strategic decisions about how to direct scarce resources in a way that most efficiently achieve a managerial goal, such as helping the company earn as much money as possible. If we were talking about a company that makes and sells computers, as a manager, then you need to make decisions such as should the firm purchase components like disk drives and chips from other manufacturers or produce them within the firm? Should the firm specialize in making one type of computer or produce several different types? How many employees to hire, how to compensate them, and how to supervise them? How will the rival firms influence your decision? And how many computers should the firm produce at what price should you sell them at? All right, this is a definition for managerial economics. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.